Welcome to another video. I sanded this floor a couple of years ago and you can now see that it's quite dry and it does need another coat of sealant. I've cleared the room and it's ready for a light sand. This area here is also needing sanded and sealed. You can see here where it's quite worn down by the front door. So I'll give it a good sand down and then reseal it. I've put masking tape around this door here just to stop any dust going through to the next room. Okay, I've got a disc sander with about a 120 grade on it. Okay, it's a bit dusty. Just let the dust settle and I'll hoover up. There's a natural draft under the door and it's pulled all the dust up to this end. Okay, that's all hoovered up and ready to be sealed. Okay, I'm going to use rustic oil. I'm using a Junckers floor clear rustic oil and I'll put it on with a cloth. Shake the can well. Okay, now ready for this room. I've hoovered it, got rid of all the dust. Now it's ready to be sealed. While I'm at it, I'll do this one too. Okay, this is just drying now. You can see it's just a little bit shiny here. This one's also drying too. I'll check it about 20 minutes just to see if it needs another coat, but I don't know if it will. Okay, that's this half done. Now for the rest of it. Okay, that's just drying. Looking better. I've done 2 coats and then I've let it dry for 30 minutes and then just buffed it over with a dry cloth. It's just drying out now. You can see it's still a little bit shiny in places, but that will soon dull down once it dries. Here is a before and after shot. You can see what it looks like before and then what it looks like now. Okay, that's it all dry now and it's looking so much better. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos.